Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, I will be sharing about some programming languages that you might have never heard about. So I hope you guys are super excited for this session. So without any further delay, let's start. Now the first programming language is QODA, world's first platform for hybrid quantum classical computing with applications ranging from drug discovery to finance. Now let's move forward to the second one. That is PIET, P-I-E-T. PIET is another esoteric programming language where the code resembles an abstract painting. So PIET is a programming language that is representing a painting. ये एक painting को represent करती है. It uses 20 distinct colors which are arranged in form of blocks. Each color corresponds to a specific behavior. तो 20 distinct colors है तो 20 different behaviors है. Commands are defined by the transition of colors from one color to block. मतलब एक color to another, to the next as the interpreter travels through the program. So PIET is a programming language which is represented in form of a painting, and it has 20 different commands based on 20 distinct colors. So I hope this is clear to you. Now let's move forward. Now the next one is EXO. It is a domain-specific language for enabling low-level performance engineers to transform single programs into complex ones. So you are transforming a single program to a complex program for specification but much faster. So it is very fast. It is also a compiler along with being a language. तो ये दोनों चीज़ें हैं, ये compiler भी है और ये खुद में programming language भी है. Now let's move forward. The next one is Shakespeare, SPL. Shakespeare programming language is a language with beautiful source code that is resembling Shakespeare's play. तो जो code है वो Shakespeare के play को represent कर रहा है. The main purpose was to make programs appear something other than programs. मतलब इस language को बनाने का यही मकसद था कि वो program नहीं लगना चाहिए, program की जगह कुछ और लगना चाहिए. The language has a title, character, acts and scenes, enter and exit directives, lines just as you would expect in a Shakespeare play. तो Shakespeare की play के according यहाँ पे title है, character है, acts है, scenes है, enter and exit directives भी है. For instance, the characters are the variables. एक example के तौर पे जो characters होते हैं वो variables को represent करते हैं. Now let's move forward to the next one. The next one is Twist. This language can verify the pieces of data that are entangled in a quantum program. So basically Twist revolves around quantum programming. The language can write full programs for quantum algorithms and identify bugs along the way. So Twist is a programming language that is more focused on quantum programming. Now let's move forward. The next one is Velato. Velato is a programming language which uses MIDI files as source code where the pattern of notes and its pitch and order determines command. So basically Velato music sheets के ऊपर based है. Velato produces jazz-like sounds, but it is not a language to create music. वो jazz-like sound तो produce करेगा, but वो music के लिए language नहीं है. But to create workable programs that can sound good. But वो ऐसे programs develop करता है जो sound करे good. Now let's move forward. The next one is Bhailang. The developers started building the language as an inside joke on TypeScript using Indian Hindi lingo. So it was made as a joke on the TypeScript. On successful compilation of code, it says "Sahi hai bhai," while upon failure, it exclaims "Arey bhai 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 bhai." So this is the language Bhailang. Now let's move forward to Inform. Inform as a programming language is about fiction. तो Inform एक ऐसी programming language है जो fiction के around revolve करती है. It is a language developed specifically for writing interactive fiction. तो आप interactive fiction लिख सकते हो Inform को use करके. It is an object oriented and procedural language. Object oriented भी है, procedural भी है. It has also been used to design story-based interactive games like Savior Fair and Float Point. तो यहाँ पे examples के लिए Savior Fair and Float Point है, जो story-based interactive games हैं जो develop हुई हैं using Inform. With this, I will be summarizing this session in which I told you about 8 programming languages that are very unique and you might have not heard about them. I hope this session was interesting for you and you got to know something more about the amazing tech world. If you guys have enjoyed this session, make sure you click on the like button and do subscribe our channel. And thank you so much everyone for joining me today. Thank you.